Welcome to Lupiter Technologies LLP. Today we explore a vital transformation in the construction and operations industry, the integration of IBM, Maximo Facility Management, and COBie through the BIM process and technology. As buildings become more complex and lifecycle demands increase, facility managers require data-driven workflows to ensure efficiency, sustainability, and cost control. By connecting BIM with facility management platforms like IBM Maximo, and using COBie as a standard information exchange, organizations can unlock seamless collaboration from design to operation. In this video, we'll walk through how these systems integrate, why it matters, and how Lupiter is helping clients worldwide embrace smarter asset and facility management. Facility management has historically been siloed, with teams relying on disconnected documents, spreadsheets, and manual updates. This leads to inaccurate asset data, missed maintenance schedules, and rising lifecycle costs. At the same time, construction projects generate massive amounts of structured data that often goes underutilized once the building is handed over. Integration solves this problem. By leveraging IBIM, integrated BIM, for data-rich models, COBie, construction operations building information exchange, for standardized asset information, and Maximo for lifecycle facility management, we create a connected digital ecosystem. This ensures every valve, HVAC unit, elevator, or light fixture is documented, tracked, and maintained efficiently. The result is not only smoother operations but also better energy efficiency, compliance, and long-term asset value. IBIM, or Integrated Building Information Modeling, takes BIM beyond design and construction, embedding asset and operational data directly into the digital model. Every component, whether a pump, sensor, or fire alarm, carries metadata that can be used by facility managers. At Lupiter, we use IBIM to connect project stakeholders across design, construction, and operations. This integration allows for data-driven decisions, predictive maintenance, and seamless collaboration between owners, operators, and service teams. IBIM is the foundation on which COBie and Maximo integration can thrive, ensuring that the digital model evolves alongside the physical building. COBie, short for Construction Operations Building Information Exchange, is the bridge between BIM models and facility management systems. It transforms design and construction data into a structured, standardized format, typically delivered as a spreadsheet or database. COBie ensures that every piece of asset data, location, type, manufacturer, warranty, serial number, is captured consistently. At Lupiter, we implement COBie workflows that allow seamless export from BIM tools like Revit, validate the data, and integrate it with FM systems. This reduces the chaos of manual data entry, avoids duplication, and ensures facility managers receive accurate, usable information at handover. IBM Maximo is one of the world's leading facility and asset management platforms. It allows organizations to manage work orders, preventive maintenance schedules, inventory, and energy usage. When integrated with IBIM and COBie, Maximo becomes more powerful, because every asset imported is accurate, complete, and connected to the BIM model. For example, when a facility manager schedules HVAC maintenance in Maximo, they can link directly to the BIM model to see the equipment in context, its location, connected systems, and history. This creates smarter workflows, predictive maintenance opportunities, and reduced downtime. Lupiter helps clients configure Maximo to read COBie datasets directly, creating a seamless data flow from construction to operations. The integration process begins during the design and construction phase, where BIM models are enriched with asset data. Using COBie standards, that data is exported in a structured format. Once validated, it is imported into IBM Maximo, where facility managers use it to schedule maintenance, monitor performance, and manage lifecycle costs. Importantly, updates made in Maximo can also feed back into the BIM model, ensuring a closed-loop ecosystem. This feedback loop creates a living digital twin, where the virtual model mirrors the real building in real time. At Lupiter, we provide consulting and training to ensure stakeholders understand this workflow, ensuring data quality, interoperability, and smooth adoption. Integrating BIM, IBIM, COBie, and Maximo brings measurable benefits. Data accuracy eliminates errors from manual entry and ensures consistency. Lifecycle efficiency, predictive maintenance and real-time tracking reduce downtime. Cost savings, better asset utilization lowers OPEX across the building lifecycle. Compliance and reporting, standardized data makes audits and sustainability reporting easier. Collaboration, everyone from architects to facility managers works on the same dataset. At Lupiter, our clients in healthcare, real estate, infrastructure, and corporate sectors are already seeing these benefits, enabling them to run smarter, more sustainable facilities. At Lupiter Technologies, we are committed to driving digital transformation in facility management. By integrating IBIM, COBie, and Maximo, we help clients unlock the true value of their data across the entire building lifecycle. Our team delivers BIM services, consulting, and training to ensure smooth adoption of these workflows, tailored to each client's needs. From design coordination to digital twin implementation, Lupiter stands as a trusted partner for innovation in the AEC industry. Together, we're not just managing facilities, we're building smarter futures.